Hey guys, it's Dej. Alright guys, so today we're starting off with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I'm using that color Riff to pack into the crease area. Also, just to mention in case you guys didn't know, my brows are already done. I used the Maybelline Brow Define and Fill Duo. And then I use the CoverGirl concealer, the same CoverGirl concealer I use in every video to clean up my brows and prime my lid for eyeshadow. So after I packed in my crease color, I go in and blend that out with the orange shade from the Watch Me Blush palette. So at this point, I decided that I did want the outer crease to be a little bit darker for kind of like a smoky effect. So here I am just adding a little bit of the brown shade on that palette called Good As Gone. Now I'm going to use that same CoverGirl concealer to cut my crease. Alright, so here I am packing Good As Gone in the outer crease again. And for the lid, I'm going in with Wanderlust, which is a very beautiful color. And here I'm just showing you the color Wanderlust on the palette, and then I go in with Ignite for my inner corner highlight. Okay, so moving on to the skin, I start off with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And I didn't leave it in here, but after the primer, normally I go in with the orange shade from the LA Girl Pro Concealer to correct my dark spots. I correct around my mouth and my cheeks. And then I go in with a little powder, and then we move on to foundation. Today I'm using a different Maybelline shade. It is 338. That is the shade Spicy Brown. And you guys should already know, make sure you blend out your foundation really well. Again, I used a brush at first, and then I go in and further blend it out with a sponge. Then we move on to highlighting my face. I use the same color CoverGirl concealer. I believe the shade is called Caramel, but I use that to highlight my under eye area, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And I apologize about looking down, guys. I have this mirror that's sitting in my lap. I'm still trying to figure out the like my setup for my videos, so you guys bear with me. If it does bother you that I'm looking down when I'm blending out everything, please let me know down in the comments. So I guess I was taking a little bit too long to blend out that concealer. It started to dry down, so I went and added a little bit more on top just so I can blend it out. Now we are going to powder our face to set everything in. Now we're gonna go ahead and bronze the face. I'm using those two brown shades in the Black Radiance contour palette. All right, so I'm just using that brown shade to smoke out the under eye area. Poke my eye out. And here I'm just adding that darker brown shade just to the outer portions of my under eye. here we are adding my favorite blush, which is not actually blush, but the orange shade from the Watch Me Blush palette. And then I'm going to set my face using the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. Now we are going to highlight. I'm using the highlighter from the Black Radiance Contour Palette to hit my cheeks and my nose. And moving on to add the finishing touches, I am using that Milani lip pencil in Rich Cocoa. For the lip color, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in Rum Punch. Then I go on to add mascara and pop on some lashes. So there you guys have it. This is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I don't know what you're waiting on. But yeah, join the fam. I will definitely be having more content posted for you guys. But yeah, that is it. I will see you guys in the next video.